You can't even foam it. It completely rejects it. Look at that. Soap beads. Soap beads. Haven't seen that ever before. Welcome back to Fab Auto Move Detailing. You guys, in this video, we're gonna do the first wash on my grandparents' terrain that I applied the Distinctive Details Ceramic 5000 paint coating on 3 weeks ago. Let's do it. So you guys, it has been 3 weeks since I applied the Ceramic 5000 paint coating to my grandparents' terrain. We're gonna check out today the Hydrophobic, so I can't wait. I have not seen it. I can't wait to see if it's slick under the surface, under the wash pad that I use, the wash glove, and just overall the appearance of it, because it is dirty. They've been driving for 3 weeks. They drove it out of town. They drove through a big rainstorm, I guess, and it got pretty dirty. And then yesterday it was raining here, and they were driving it, and they were behind a gravel truck. So it's got like white going up the hood from the gravel truck. So this car, it gets driven daily, and that's why I wanted to put the Ceramic 5000 paint coating on this car. Now, if you have not seen that video, I'll put a link up here somewhere for you to check it out. One thing I want to stress really quick about that video, I did no paint correction to this car. I washed it, I deconned it, and then I put the Ceramic 5000 paint coating on it. And I did that for a reason, because I sell to dealerships on my truck, my business. And I want to see how this product's going to work if a dealership buys it, doesn't do a paint correction, because trust me, they're not going to. Only a few dealerships actually do any type of polishing at all with any type of random orbital or rotary. So most likely if they buy this, they're just going to put it on a car. So I just want to see what it's going to do, because that way I can kind of tell people, hey, you know, this is the kind of durability I got. Here's how easy it was to use. I'm trying to test every product that I'm selling on the truck. Speaking of the business, you guys, I know you guys, a lot of you contacted Distinctive Details. A lot of you contacted me through Instagram or Facebook. A lot of people want to know where they can buy it. You have to buy it from a distributor. I am an authorized distributor of Distinctive Details products. My website is not done yet. Fred and his business partner are working away at it, and I'm hoping it's done here soon so you guys can buy. So please understand that I've got to get my website up and going before I can just start shipping this stuff out, because otherwise shipping costs is more expensive, because I get more of a discount because I'm going through Shopify. And I'll get a little bit of a discount on shipping, so you guys aren't paying as much as shipping. It'd be too much to deal with right now, not having a website. So please understand that. Please be patient with us in this transition to this website, because it's all new for us. I got to learn everything. My wife's got to learn everything about it. So just please be patient about it, you guys, and understand we are doing it as fast as we can. And when we can get the website up and running, I will make a dedicated video about it, and everybody will know about it when the website is ready to go. So let's take a look at this car. So I'm going to show you. Obviously, they drive it. Really not a lot of bugs on the front, just a few here and there. We're going to see if I can just spray those off with the high pressure hose. This is where the gravel and stuff was going up the hood as they were driving in the rain yesterday. It's just the gravel dust off the gravel truck, but look at the, hoping the camera shows that. I'm going to do the wheels and wheel wells and tires off camera, because this video is not about that. This video is about the paint coating. It's kind of a hard color to show, but as you can see, most of the dirt has washed down the surface. Yes, there is some up here, don't get me wrong, but the heavy parts are all down here, right on the bottom, which is what you expect on a ceramic coated car. This is just a bunch of kick up off the front tires. Same here. These body panels and these terrains, the way that they come out, they collect a lot of crap. Let's check out the top. See, this is actually really clean up here. Oh, the top is extremely clean. Very, very little dirt on the top. Just tell you how dirty it is. All the kick up on the back. On the tail lights, on the chrome, on the paint. It's pretty dirty. Yeah, still looks good though. Still a ton of gloss. it still feels really slick up there where it's not dirty, because it's not dirty up top at all. At all. It's all down here. Just like you expect it to be. So, all right, let me clean the wheels and tires and wheel wells, and then we're going to foam it. Oh, we're going to use, I recommend anytime you do any type of ceramic coating, try to keep it within the family of products. So Distinctive Details has products to maintain their coating. So you want to use their products because they're made in junction with their coating to work good with their coating. And I suggest that with any company, use their coating. So we're going to wash it with ceramic coating maintenance shampoo. We're going to foam it with it, and then I'm going to rinse it, and then we're just going to go in contact with it. I've got 2.5 ounces in the bucket, and I did put 2 ounces in here because it didn't foam very good last time, which you don't expect an SiO2 spray to foam well. It didn't foam very good at all, so I'm going to try just a little bit more this time. I'm going to dry it with the Nano4 Ceramic Coating Enhancer. Now, this does not say it's a drying aid, but I've used it as a drying aid. Works very well. It's going to give lubrication between the drying towel and the paint so you don't scratch up the painted surface. So, all right, you guys, so wheels, tires, and wheel well are done. Now we're going to go around, we're going to check the hydrophobics on it while it's dirty. So as you can see, because people just don't believe, as you can see, I have not washed it. Window's still dirty, everything is still filthy. But I want to check the hydrophobics. I can tell you, I hit the fenders a couple times with the pressure washer when I was cleaning the wheels, and it looks amazing. It looks really good. So let's go ahead and hit a few panels. I don't want to let the water dry on it, even though it's not real hot today. It's only about 55 out here, I think. But it is in the sunlight a little bit, and I don't want the water to spot, because I do have hard water here. Even when I have a water softener, it will still spot. So let's check out the hydrophobics while it's dirty. That looks good. Look at those beads. Oh man, that looks really good. Now this is a dirty panel, so as you can expect, you're gonna see that until we wash it. But up here where I told you it looked clean, look at that. Man. As you can see. Okay, you ready? You can flood it dry. Other than the spit that's coming off my pressure washer. As you can see right there. All right, you guys, so we're gonna hook the foam cannon up, we're gonna foam it, and I'm gonna rinse it, and I'm not gonna show you much of that. And then we'll go contact, and we'll see what the surface looks like when it's actually cleaned up, because I am so geeked out right now by the hydrophobics of it while it's dirty. I mean, that's amazing. And for such an easy coating to apply, anybody can apply this coating. Anybody, my 8-year-old daughter could apply this coating. It looks amazing. I got so excited that I messaged Panty Organizer, I messaged Papa Smurf, the Fab family in the Instagram chats, and showed everybody this because I was just blown away by it. So, alrighty, shake her up. And this does, can't expect an SiO2 to foam well, you guys. Just the way it is. Let's see what we can get. Okay, it's rejecting the foam. You can't even foam it. Okay, that's crazy. That is crazy. Look at this. You can't even foam it. It completely rejects it. That is awesome. That is what we want to see. Look at that. Soap beads. Soap beads. Haven't seen that ever before. That's crazy. Let me go ahead and foam it, rinse it, and then we'll go contact. But I guess I don't need to show you guys me foaming the rest of it because it doesn't really do anything. All right, you guys, let's go contact on it. I already did the top just because it's hard to show that on camera. Glove in here. This thing foams up pretty good, this soap. It's definitely plenty slick enough. The surface feels really good. Not applying a bunch of pressure. Sorry if the microphone's like clicking. I know it seems to do that sometimes when I'm doing stuff like this. I'm not applying a bunch of pressure when I do it. Just enough to clean the surface. Man, I'm happy with this, you guys. I mean, something that's that easy to do, to install, that literally, like I said earlier, my 8-year-old daughter could do it. Like, I could show her how to do this and she could do it no problem. Applied this coating. I mean, it's just, it's that easy. Very slick. Paint feels amazing. Yes, it's only been 3 weeks, but we didn't do a hydrophobic test in the video when I applied it because I wanted to give it a full amount of time to cure, which is typically a week on any coating. So that's why we didn't do a hydrophobic test. I needed to get it back to my grandparents. This is the hydrophobic test here, and it's looking great. All right, you guys, I'm gonna finish washing the car and then we'll take a look at the hydrophobics after. All right, you guys, so she is done and she is dry. She looks amazing. I don't have any tire shine on it yet, but it looks really, really good. As you can see, tons of gloss, but you expect it. It's been 3 weeks, you guys. This is more of a video to show you guys the hydrophobics of this coating because everybody was asking for it because I didn't do it in the video. Still got some spots dripping down, but everything looks really, really good. Very happy with it. Let's do a water test on the side doors, especially because that's where, let me put you guys down for a minute. That's where you guys saw it was flat. Okay, so remember what the door looked like before? Let's see what it looks like now. Bada bing, bada bam. We are back in business. Back in business. See what the hood looks like. Just as good as it did before. Fender. Now I did use the ceramic enhancer to dry it because you want a drying aid so you don't scratch the car. So the beads aren't as uniform as they were before, but they still look really good, as you can see. And that's just to help dry it. It's not going to last but probably a week or so, if that. So just help dry it, but this looks amazing. Let's try to flood it. As you can see, sheets away real quick. Let's try to flood this panel. Bam, gone. Bam. Looks awesome, you guys. Very happy with it. Now I got to dry it again. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Check this thing out. It looks absolutely amazing. Could not be happier with it. The hydrophobics are awesome. Now, yes, I do expect the coating to be fine after 3 weeks because people are going to say something about that. This video was about checking out the hydrophobics. Everybody wanted to see the hydrophobics, and I didn't do it in the original video because I wanted to make sure that it fully cured. Plus, I had to get it back to my grandparents. I wasn't about to get it wet and not let it fully cure, basically. So very happy with it, you guys. Easy to wash. I love Distinctive's products so far. So far, everything I'm using from Distinctive is doing exactly what you want it to do. They're all working the way that I want them to work. And that's awesome because the prices are really good, which you guys are gonna find out soon enough. Once the website's done, please, please, please be patient, you guys. This is not something that happens overnight. This isn't something that happens within a few weeks. There's a lot that goes into this. We are working as hard and as diligently as we can, and we're just trying to get this going so you guys will have a chance to use these products also. And when you guys do buy these products, especially this coating after, I mean, I'm all geeked out. This is crazy. I couldn't even foam it. I tried foaming it and the foam wouldn't even cling. It was turning into foaming bubbles, foaming beads. How about that on the cars? Absolutely crazy what this coating can do. And it's so easy to use, you guys. Once again, please be patient with us. We are working hard. We're gonna get this going for you guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for joining us, checking this video out. If you liked the video, please give us a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please go down below, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.